is it only Japan?
No. More than one.
It's more than one because we agreed when we talked earlier that the settings with an S are important. So Japan and what?
California. USA. The USA.
So all of those can work, either California, America, or USA. So when I say go, I'm going to say America.
Miss Harris, while you're writing that, I'm gonna jump in here real quick, okay? Scholars, I love your big, huge brains, how smart you are, and that you're excited to answer questions. But what is that one move we really need y'all to do if you have an answer? What's that move? You're doing it now. I knew you knew it. What's the move, Ava?
Raise your hand and don't shout out.
Thank
Stay
you
at
very
level
much.
0.
Thank you. You have two options, left or right. So when you want to answer a question, raise the side of the hand. Get it, got it good.
Get it, got it, good.
So let me show you what you helped me do. Eyes on me, Shania, 3. Eyes on me, 2. Eyes on me, 1. Eyes on me, 0. I started with the capital letter. The story takes place in Japan and America. And also I ended with a period because every sentence ends with a
Punctuation mark.
Let's try it again, a punctuation mark, right? Every sentence ends with a
Punctuation mark.
So when I come around my last lap, I'm looking for, did you start with a capital letter? Did you end with a punctuation? And did you answer the question, not with the question, but with an answer? Ready? Eyes on your paper?
Eyes on the paper.
Ready? Well, wait for a few eyes to be looking at their answer. Looking at their answer. Ready? Voice level 0, voice level
0.
2 minutes to fix your work. Coming around, go.
Right away, I saw, honestly, 100% of scholars get to it. I'm sorry, I'm in this story takes place. What's up, what you need?
So, names. A name is important, so what do we do to a name of a person, a place, a country, a thing? I hear you say it again.
Capital letter.
United States is a place. California is the name of a place. Japan is the name of a country. Capitalize those letters. That's what I'm looking for. USA and, because it's only 2 you want to add and. So I see your where. What about when? Is this story taking place now or a long time ago? Okay. And if I ask you how do you know, would you be able to put
Front office to Ms. Rucker.
the story takes place in San Francisco? Okay.
Office for Ms. Rucker.
So I see friends answering where. Good job. I do see Japan and California, but I don't see the second part of that answer. You told me where. What am I looking for now? When. Let me remind you of something. The story said that women could not work. It was shameful in Japan for women to work, right? The story said that women didn't drive cars. Did I say that that was happening now?
No.
That does not necessarily represent Japanese culture now. So if it's not talking about now, when is it talking about? Then. When is then? Is that a long time ago?
Yeah.
So make sure you add the when. All right, for the second term, we're going to go on. If you can hear me now, clap 1. If you can hear me now, clap 2. All right, so I have another question that we're going to quickly talk about. Goal, character's goal, circle the word goal. What does the word goal mean? Yes, raise your hand, go. Let's see, what does the word goal mean? If I have a goal, what does that mean?
Something that you want to achieve.
Something that I want to achieve. Way to go, I see ya.
Way to go, I see ya.
So, Masako has a goal in this story. Listen to me. Her goal changes. I want you to talk about what was her goal at the beginning of the story. What does Masako want in the big part of the story? And then how does that change at the end? Does she still want that same thing? You can hear me now, clap once. If you can hear me now, clap twice. Repeat after me.
Repeat after you.
What does
What does
Masako want?
Masako want?
At the beginning of the story?
At the beginning of the story.
Then at the end.
Then at the end.
Look your neighbor in the eyeball. Ready? Eyeball to eyeball. You're going to talk about what she wants. Ready? It could be a group of 2 or 3. And you have 2 minutes. Go. What does she want?
Oh, she wants to go back to California.
She wants to leave.
She wants to go back to
Why? Why does she want to go back to America? What makes her want to go back to America? What's happened to her? Happening to her in Japan? Are they being nice to her? What are they doing that's not nice to her? Yeah, call her. Does she still want to go back to America at the end? Why? What she?
That was the grandson.
But at the end, does she want to go back to America?